Hello everyone, it's Chris Taylor with Taylor Family Finds, and today I'm going to get real with you. For the better part of last year, I made some huge mistakes that not only hurt my business, but also taught me some of the most valuable lessons I've ever learned. This video is all about how I failed, what I learned, my redemption plan, and something I like to call the 3 Ds of business. But enough of me. I'm going to let my friends explain the 3 Ds of business for you.
Well, hi. I'm Donkel Dinklin. I'm here to talk about getting things done. When it's time to work, you got to roll up your sleeves and you got to tackle the core tasks that keep your business going. That means listing items, shipping orders, sourcing inventory, and making sure the wheels are kept turning. If it needs doing, I'm the monkey for the job. No excuses, no monkeying around, just action. Hi, I'm Dinkle Donklin. I handle all the boring administrative stuff. Keeping your business organized is crucial. That means managing inventory, tracking sales, uploading spreadsheets, paying taxes, basically all the behind the scenes stuff that makes sure Donkel Dinklin can do his job. I might not be flashy, but trust me, without Dinkle Donklin, things fall apart. Well, hey, I'm Dilly Gaglin. My job is to remind you that life isn't always about work. It can be fun. You got to take time to relax, recharge, and have fun, rather it's hanging out with family, going thrift shopping just for fun, or even binge watching your favorite show. It's important to refresh your spirit and your mind. Trust me, if you skip dilly daggling, that's me, burnout is right around the corner. So kick back and enjoy life every once in a while. Maybe even chase a ball or two. Hee hee hee.
And there you have it. The 3 Ds of business, brought to you by my friends. Donkel Dinklin, getting things done. Dinkle Donklin, handling the boring administrative stuff. And my favorite, Dilly Gaglin, relaxing and recharging. Balancing these 3 is what keeps my business running smoothly and my life in balance. A work-life balance is very important to me. And honestly, before I had it, it sucked. My life was totally out of balance, and that's not any way to live. I guarantee you that. So get to Donkel Dinklin, Dinkle Donklin, and Dilly Gaglin. Now that you know the 3 Ds of business, let me tell you what happened when I didn't follow them. I didn't have a SKU system in place, and in my arrogance and my overconfidence, I thought that I could remember where thousands of items were located. Well, as you can imagine, that didn't pan out very well. And instead, what happened is I lost customers' items repeatedly. They paid for them, I couldn't ship them, so I had to cancel the orders. When you cancel an order on eBay, especially if it's for lost inventory, they take note of that, and they have like a point system. It's called a transactional defect system. And that is essentially a defective transaction. And if you get over, I believe it's 2%, they limit you. Well, ladies and gentlemen, theys and thems, I have been limited for like 80 million years. No, literally, I've been limited for about 8 months. Or as my friend Kevin likes to eloquently put it, eBay jail. And guess what? He's right. It does feel like being in jail because it restricts your freedom. It restricts the amount you can sell. It restricts the volume you can sell because eBay isn't pushing you out to enough people. You're not able to do promoted listings. Also, they're taking about 8% off the top, which is crazy, right? Costs so much more money just to sell, just to do this work that we're passionate and happy about doing. So, not all hope is lost though. I fixed it, and this is how I fixed it. I implemented a SKU system. Thanks to some of the beautiful, brilliant people on YouTube, I've learned about the SKU system. And now I have about 300 black and yellow totes, each of them having a range of numbers on them, like this. Each item that I have listed has a SKU on it. After I take all the photos of the item in a regular way, then I take the photo of the SKU with the item. And what that does is allows me to input SKU in my listing software. That way things don't get lost. So we implemented this system probably 6 to 8 months ago, As you can see, we're already up to 1,800 items. No big deal. We do about 10 a day, give or take. We've only lost one package, and that has been because of inventory error that was our fault. So we went from losing, 20, 30 packages a month to losing zero, 0.001 or so. It's just been absolutely amazing. So everything's been good in terms of transaction rate, defect rate. It takes a year to catch up if you've sold under 2,000 items in that year. So I haven't caught up yet, but I'm catching up. I'm almost there, and I anticipate March I will be unlimited. Then I'm going to list everything, promoted listings at 2%. Continue doing what I'm doing every day, listing $300 of quality items. Money's going to start to roll in more and more. I'm going to up that $300 to $400, $500, etc. I'm going to get people's items out on time in the condition that they said they were in. And most importantly, I'm going to get the items out because I have a SKU system. The SKU system has been brilliant. Absolutely incredible. So why do I do this? For me, business is more than just about making money. It's about the opportunity to serve. I get to serve my customers with great deals on quality items. I get to serve my family by providing for them financially, emotionally, because I'm there, because I'm not working all the time like some kind of dog for some kind of company that is just draining my soul. I am out here running my own business, making my own path in life, and I'm very grateful for that. I get to serve the environment. God calls us to be good stewards of His earth. And one way I get to do that is by helping keep items out of the landfill. And most importantly, I get to serve my God. I get to give back through my church, through charity. I get to view every item that I'm shipping out, or more specifically, my wife Katie is shipping out every item that I sell as a process of serving and worship. I get to use the resources that I've been giving to serve others and serve God. I also really enjoy critical thinking, and business is one problem to solve after another. A, you have to do it quickly, and B, you have to do it by using critical thinking. You have to think outside of your problem. It's pretty amazing. I love it. I really, really, truly love business. I'm very grateful. I'm very humbled to be here. So, what's the takeaway here? Even if you have messed up once, twice, or even 1 trillion times, you can still be redeemed. And the way you can be redeemed is critical thought, in business at least, right? You can learn from others. I learn from people on YouTube. That SKU system has been absolutely amazing. It's been absolutely empowering for me. So I want to tell you that there is light at the end of the tunnel if you've been limited. If you're having slow sales, get to work. Just do it, and things will naturally fall in place. That's how business works. You do it, and then things fall into place as you learn, because you're going to make mistakes, but what's important is that you're out there doing it. I want you guys to remember the 3 Ds of business: Donkle Dinklin, Dinkle Donklin, and Dilly Gaglin. It's been awesome to share this part of my story with you guys. It's been a great journey. I know it's only getting started, but I'm having so much fun. I'm learning so much, and I'm growing so much as a person. Until next time, peace. Thank you for watching Taylor Family Finds.